Africans are not religious people, they are kingdom people. Ancestry isn't confined to the past, it's an integral part of your present. Beyond religious or belief systems, it's a tangible aspect of your existence, imprinted in your DNA. Your ancestors are not dead people, they are more than historical figures, they reside in you, influencing your every breath and step. Ancestors are not a religious thing, are not something to believe. Whether you acknowledge their presence or not, they are part of you. This is what we call ancestry. You carry within you the legacy of your lineage, a tapestry woven from the threads of your ancestors. You are a unique blend of your past and present. 33% is your father, 33% is your mother, and the remaining 33% is uniquely you. Your family tree, including your mother and father's lineage, stretches back millions of years to the dawn of your existence. This chain of life, this thread of existence, is what we call ancestry. It's not about religion or belief, but a biological reality, an undeniable part of your existence. It's a real part of you. Your ancestors are not just figures from the past, they are an integral part of you. Their presence is etched into your DNA, influencing who you are today. Whether you acknowledge them or not, they are with you, in every breath you take, in every step you make. They are part of you, whether you think about them or not. Embrace this connection, for it is the bridge between the past, the present, and the future. It is the rhythm of life, the song of our species, the melody of humanity. It is the symphony of ancestry. This deep connection is a testament to the power of heritage and the enduring rhythm of life. Visit our website www.gogoafrica.art. Follow Gogo Africa for more.